Hey friends, welcome to DjusLife. If you're new around here, we are Amy and Yvhen Juice, and we have been exploring the beautiful country of North Macedonia. Sadly, today is our last day here, but before we head to the airport, we wanted to squeeze in one last adventure to one of Macedonia's most beloved nature spots, Matka Canyon.
All right, so we made it to the bus stop. It is at the base of the fortress here, and then right behind me is the river, actually. So just to orient yourself if you ever choose to do this, keep in mind that the bus that takes you to Matka Canyon is not a frequent bus. We've been here for an hour and we're still waiting for the bus. Hopefully it's gonna come sometime soon, but we're not sure. Maybe it's this one? Nope, not this one.
Number 60! It's here, over an hour wait. So that was our stop?
Yeah, I guess so. All right, guys, we made it. Just a little journey.
Where are we at?
Matka Canyon.
Matka Canyon.
Matka Canyon. It's only like I don't even know, like a 40-minute ride. Wasn't too bad. Kind of worried about getting the bus back, but it should be super cool. You can rent a kayak or take like a boat tour. It's kind of chilly.
It's freezing.
But we felt like we couldn't leave Skopje without checking this place out. It's like one of the more famous things to do around here.
Oh my goodness, look at those little kayaks that are bikes.
Oh, that's hilarious.
That's so funny. You can pedal your way around. Too bad we have our backpacks, because I would definitely race you on one of those bad boys.
That looks pretty interesting.
I've never seen that before. They do have some normal kayaks as well, if you don't want to bike your kayak.
In the summertime example, when it's too hot, you cannot see them because they like a lot of humidity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do they bite?
No.
No. Good. He's big. Bye, buddy. We're gonna go into the cave. We just walked up about 2 minutes from the water, docked the boat, because there are some caves that you can go and explore here. So we had about a 20-minute ride through the canyon. We're waiting for the generators to turn on the lights so that we can see inside the cave. But it's just Yvhen and I and our tour guide. So good with caves all to ourselves.
Down there we have a small lake. It's about 10 meters deep, that one. The people discovered this cave for the first time. They entered from this hole up there. The name of the person that discovered the cave is Grozdanovski Jovica. He accidentally came here to climb and he had found this.
So cool. Back to the boat. Fala. Sure. Ah, you're not the first. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Thank you very
too.
much.
It was a pleasure.
Stay warm. Pardon, pardon.
All right, we have like 5 minutes to make it to the bus stop. It's kind of far, but we don't want to wait here for 2 hours because we have to wait an hour and a half to get the bus going the other way. So cold. So cold. Did it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. We made it.
Just in time. People always ask us why we travel with backpacks. We were not planning to run a half a mile with backpacks, but we could not have done that with a roller bag. Oh my gosh. We made it.
Success.
Yes. I went to pick up your backpack. That thing is heavy.
Bye. We're so glad we made you.
Oh my gosh. We are back into the city.
Shall we go to the square? See how it looks at night?
Yes, let's go check out the square. All right, friends, we have made it back to the main square where all of this started. It has been such a fun few days exploring Skopje, North Macedonia, but today is only about half over. In our next vlog, we're going to be doing a travel day to a new country. But for now, we're gonna say goodbye. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed seeing North Macedonia as much as we did. And we'll see you guys later in a few minutes in the next vlog. Bye!
Bye.
Oh my gosh, the puppets sing.